Okay, so here's an example of where order of operations is critical in helping us get the correct answer. Remember, in the trades, especially in technical fields, making sure we get the right answer could mean the difference of, keeping your job or not. Okay, so you want to make sure you get the correct answer every single time. So knowing the order of operations is going to be extremely important. Okay, so let me read this problem and then we'll work it out. So based on the table that I wrote on the board, it says, suppose that a customer used 72 HCF in a month. Okay, that's 100 cubic feet. So what we're looking at is, it says, to encourage water conservation, a water district began charging its customers according to the following monthly block rate system. Okay, so suppose that a customer used 72 HCF in a month. Okay, how much would it get charged? Well, we want to set this up. Okay, so it's 72, so a customer used 72 HCF, which is hundreds of cubic feet of water. Right? 100 cubic feet. So 72 HCF is what we're working with. Now, the first 20 is going to be at $3 per 100 square feet, or 100 cubic feet rather. So that means the first, 20 is going to be at a rate of $3 per 100 cubic feet. So it's going to be a multiplication. So it's going to be 20 times $3. Right? That's the first tier, if you will. So I'm going to subtract 20 from the 72 because now they still have 72 or 52 100 cubic feet remaining. Now it says here the next 30 100 cubic feet is charged at $4. So that means, okay, so the next 30, which brings us up to 50, right? 50 100 cubic feet, so that's going to be 30 times, now that's at $4 per 100 cubic feet. So now if I subtract that 30 HCF, that gives me 22 HCF remaining. So then it says the next 50. Well, the 22 left over falls into this category. It doesn't go over because there's only 22 remaining. So the last 22 HCF, 100 square cubic feet of water that was used, is going to be charged at $5. So the last 22 HCF is going to be charged at $5 per HCF. And that's it, right? So we didn't get into this one, so that's not part of it. Now, what is this amount and this amount and this amount going to be done? What are we going to do with those? Well, we want a total. We want a total bill for this customer. Well, we're going to have to add, right? This is the amount of money they're charged at the first tier, or the first block. This is the amount of money that they're going to be charged for the water that they used in the second block and the third block, respectively. So then we're going to add these to get a total. So now the order of operations tells us that we're going to do what's in parentheses, right? But even if we didn't have the parentheses, right? Even if we didn't have the parentheses, order of operations would still dictate that we would have to do the multiplication first before the addition. So we would still have to do these two, and these two first, and preferably left to right. Okay, it really doesn't matter in this case, but again, just get in the habit of doing left to right. So that means this would be 60 plus 120 plus 110. And so now I add these, and I'm going to get what? 180, 290. So their final bill is going to be a charge of $290 for the water bill for the month. Okay? And that's how order of operations helps you get the correct answer when you're dealing with real life application problems like this. Have a great day.